Okay, I'm gonna submit. I'm just happy beating William. I guess now I have time to get a coffee.
So going into the match, how are you feeling? Do you think you're gonna win or?
Yeah, I think I'm a favorite a little bit because of all these hackathons I did. It was all about coding really fast. But then, like, on the other hand, you did a few of these before and I never did. So that might give you an advantage.
I completely agree. It's exactly what I was thinking. So your advantage is that you're a bit younger. You have like your computer science classes are a bit closer to mine, and you've done the hackathon and everything. And my only advantage is that I've done it under pressure with Ben Awad and so on. So yeah, let's see. I'm excited. Let's do it.
See, I got all these hackathon certificates. Here's another one, certificate of hack achievements. And I'm very proud of these. And now if I lose, then all the glory is gone.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be parking up. Them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Parking up.
Fastest mode, read the characters from the standard input and print them in the requested order. The order is given as a series of digits describing the position of the original input string of the next character to print. So input for ABCD 431. So it means you need the fourth, okay. You need the third one, the second one, okay. So inputs, so we have the line, and then here we have the number. So I'm gonna create indexes to store, so it's an array of numbers, and I'm gonna add each index. So indexes push index, and here we're gonna map indexes and we're gonna get from the line at index, but it's plus, so -1, index -1, and then we do a join. Hopefully this should work. Should I just submit? Should I wait for the test cases to? I think I'm gonna submit. Should be good.
Okay, I think that's not too hard. So I think we just map the inputs and do something like this, and then join it like this. Wow, it's like a one-liner. But let's run the test cases because I'm not so confident this is what they are looking for. No, it's wrong. Okay, so I need to subtract -1 because they put it as 0 indexed. Wow, what the hell? Oh, the left hand side of arithmetic operation must be of type any. Oh, I was too fast. I did not use the second argument of the map function, which is not the index. Oh wait, but am I? Oh, no. So once again, it's given to me as a string and I need to cast it to a number. Let's run the test again. I'm really glad I'm running these tests. And I'm still getting it wrong. Oh, I'm not supposed to join. And William already has it. Damn it!
Alright, so Jonny went very fast as well. Very similar solution. Of course, you could do the number parsing directly instead of duplicating the array.
The good news is that I leveled up.
Round 2. Lady, go!
Given a number n, sum up all the numbers from 2 to n. So I think let's have a amount equals n, and then let's have a classic for loop for let I 0 I is smaller than n, I plus plus. Oh, and we start at 2 amount plus equals I inclusive n. So I guess I do this and I just console.log it and play it. Oh, and I misspelled console.log. Let's play it again. And I did it wrong.
Given n, sum up all even number from 2 to n. So there is probably a smart way to do this, but I guess I'm gonna do it brute force. So we're gonna do new array. So from n minus 2 and we let's map to create all the numbers in between. So that would be between 2 to n inclusive. So that would be I plus 2 let's check already. This array looks good. So 2, okay, that's good. Then we filter the one which are even. So I where I modulo 2 equals 0, and then we do a sum. So reduce, so arc value, and so we do arc plus v, default value 0. Let's try to run the test cases. Jonny already finished.
Man, I should have read it better. Given a number n, sum up all even numbers. Damn. Sum up all even numbers. And I'm just gonna submit. It's gonna be right. And it looks like I submitted before William, so that's good. 100% score.
Inclusive, so I should do +1.
So yeah, I guess now I have time to get a coffee.
Should be good, hopefully. I think Jonny's answer was much more elegant. I always try to do it with filter map reduce, but this was much faster, much more elegant. Maybe I should stop trying to be fancy. That's the takeaway I'm taking from this challenge.
Round 3. Lady, go!
Okay, you're trying to grab cookies out of the cookie jar, but if you grab too many, your hand will get stuck. Print the maximum. Wow. Okay, so we have diameter of jar, the hand width, the number of cookies in the jar, and the hand width increase per cookie.
Number of cookies, okay. And with increase per cookie. Okay. So I guess we need to take the remaining of diameter minus and width, so d minus h, and we divide by the increase. And I guess we need to do a math floor on this. So I guess that's the solution. Let's play the test cases and then see if we can make it shorter. And I guess also we should check the maximum is the number of cookies we can take. Yeah. So we take the mean. The mean between, I never know if it's min max, between n and this value. Okay, so all test cases pass.
D minus h divided by 4 divided by 4. No, divided by s, but not more. Math.min, but not more than 20. So n. Okay.
How can we make this shorter? I could... No, so here actually the order is important. Oh, this is pretty not interesting. I can remove the type annotations. I probably can alias the function names. I guess, yeah, do I need... Because it's TypeScript, I guess here I need to have some sort of variable declaration. If it were JavaScript, maybe you wouldn't complain. JavaScript. Oh, no. Let me see. JavaScript. And okay, let's just see if this works. Okay. So now I think I'm gonna alias, so I can do F, and I can alias these guys here, right? That should win some characters. And yeah, I think just remove some spaces and I'll be happy with it. This is so uninteresting. This is definitely not interesting content, but I guess this one also I can remove. Yeah, let's submit.
No, William did it in 98. Wow. In JavaScript. So, oh, I need to beat William. How? So, let DH and S equals new array 4 dot map read line, maybe like this. Dot map number. Ooh, I think that's a nice one. That's a nice one. 85 characters. Oh, but shit. Oh, maybe I need to do this. That's great. William already submitted. Now I have enough time to figure it out. So right now I am at 96 characters. Maybe I can even do like fill 1. And that will make it. Now I'm 93. Dot map number. Is there some way to make? Okay, so I can do this. 1 82 characters. That's a genius solution. Nobody can read it, but it's really good. Oh, but somebody did it in 64 characters in Python. Okay, I probably cannot beat that. I cannot beat that. Okay, I'm gonna submit. I'm just happy beating William.
Interesting. So it looks like the floor was not needed. Pretty cool. And yeah, awesome stuff.
This is the last round.
Shortest mode again. Okay.
I can only win if I write it in Python, but am I really that good in Python? I know almost nothing.
Ben and Tom send messages to you describing the temperature in their respective countries. Ben lives in the USA, Tom lives in the UK. Ben uses Fahrenheit, Tom uses Celsius. Ben and Tom will send you their input as one integer each. Separated by a space, there will be n such lines of inputs. For each line, output the string higher if Ben's temperature is higher than Tom's, and output the string lower if Ben's temperature is lower than Tom. If the temperatures are the same, output the string same. Conversion from C Celsius to F Fahrenheit follows the formula C Celsius times 9 divided by 5 plus 42 equals Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is Ben temperatures, which we need to convert to Celsius. So we're gonna do times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. And let me see, yeah, perfect. And so here we do if B is greater than T. So if Ben temperatures is higher, so than Tom's, we print higher. And if not, we do, so if T is equal to B, we print same, and if not, it's lower. So first, let's check if the test cases pass. Nope. B here is always higher. Can I do console debug B and debug T? It's probably here. C times should be good actually. Let's see. Conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit, so I need to do it here probably. So I take, Tom is using Celsius, so I go to Fahrenheit. Okay, so I can remove the debug output, maybe. So test cases pass. Now let's try to make it shorter somehow. Okay, so I'm already in JavaScript, that's good. And parse int. So can I do stuff like p equals parse int? Let's see. Okay. Same for readline, I guess. This is so silly. Still passes. Input we can rename. Oh no. I don't know. To A. Here I guess can be a double equal instead. And then I guess can just remove some spaces. Not very interesting. I guess also remove these variable declarations. What am I doing here? I can probably also remove this one here. Let's see if it still pass. Yes, okay, I'll submit.
Okay, let's first write it out in a long way, and let's convert everything to to Celsius, because that's the most reasonable way of expressing temperature, I think. Okay, I've changed my mind. I'm gonna convert everything to Fahrenheit, because that's what because I have a formula for that. So const Tom Fahrenheit is T times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. Now console.log. But console.log takes a long time to write out, so okay, let's try it. Let's go for it. I'm gonna switch to Python.
A few moments later.
Do I need to import this really? I need to import stuff? No, I don't. Wow, you know what? I'm thinking whether I should go back to TypeScript. I'm going back to TypeScript. Yeah, I don't see how I can shorten it. Actually, I think TypeScript is, or JavaScript is, it's faster than, you can write, I think TypeScript, it's shorter than Python, but let's see if that's the case. So we need to beat William with 142 characters. He has already did his solution.
A few moments later.
Damn, I have a bug. Where did I introduce a bug? I only have 3 minutes. Panicking. 2 minutes. I just want to see if... Okay, this was still okay, so... Let's rename this to C. Let this we can simplify. So we can turn this into a ternary. Higher. Same. Okay, so this should still work. Then let's get rid of all the white space. Let's rename inputs to I. Let's remove the type. Oh, let's rename it to J then. There's also this trick we can do. Ooh, does it work? Oh, and now I have my bug again, and only 1 minute. Damn! Nothing was logged. So I need to go back. I need to go back and oh my god, I'm gonna fail. William's been waiting since 10 minutes and I'm gonna submit a solution that's like literally twice as bad as his. Oh. Damn, 13 seconds. Really bad. Let's submit it. Wow, and I failed so hard on this one. Man, William, that last one was such a struggle. I went from JavaScript to Python to JavaScript and then I got a bug and could not do it at all. You got me on this one.
I feel like the only problems that we had that were interesting were the one where we had to do it in shortest mode.
Yeah, that's true. Unfortunately.
And so sometimes you were so fast, I felt you were not running the tests, right?
Yeah, it's like in real life. I mean, if you test, you lose time. So just don't write tests, right? It's a lesson for life.
Well, thank you for your time, and we should definitely do it again with, I think, like new programming languages. And I'll see you soon on the podcast.